If you're looking for a simple way to learn all about the world's healthiest diet, this channel's for you, where I follow the road on the Mediterranean way to eat every day from my home here in Spain. It's a mix of how to plan, how to shop, and how to prepare all sorts of recipes that will help you on your own journey too. I don't think of this way of eating as a diet. That makes me think of something temporary that you do when you start off right, but then you hit that cycle of eat, cheat, and repeat. This is just the healthy Mediterranean way to turn ordinary ingredients into extraordinary dishes. Moving to Spain 8 years ago with George, we've had the chance to discover what makes life in this region and the Mediterranean diet so very special. It's mostly made with healthy, simple pantry staples, powered up with fresh stuff, and a splash of extra virgin olive oil. Can you imagine how yummy that's going to be? Whether we're playing in our Spanish kitchen or finding food ideas across the whole Mediterranean region, I promise you'll have fun discovering new ways to create healthy, tasty dishes everyone in your life will love, all while eating more of the Mediterranean way every day.